Here's Yordan Alvarez. Second major league at bat. That ball's smoked to center field. Broxton watches. That is gone. Up by the home run pump. Second major league at bat. And it's a laser beam to left center. Yordan Alvarez. Welcome to the show.
I just want to see Tony Kemp try and hug this guy.
Hopefully somebody told him about the hugs for homers.
Wow. The extension, that frame just unloading, and he knew it too. Welcome to the show, Yordan Alvarez.
Center field and deep. Back on it, Broxton. That ball is gone. It carries out. And the rookie in his big league debut, a 2-run home run. And the Astros grab the lead.
Well, how big is that 2-out base hit to get this kid to the plate? Well, again, 71 RBIs in 56 games with 23 home runs. And Jim, you said it was a changeup, and it wasn't that bad a changeup. Maybe a little bit in the middle of the plate, but it's like being on the PGA Tour. I mean, that's outside third of the plate, and then he just launched it. Big time power right here.